Alright, what is up, guys? With most of these packs, how I got them was in solo challenges. And you go over to mindsets. Nope. You go over to NFL Journey 2, not NFL Journey 1. You go to NFL Journey 2 and you complete them. I was gonna do the last one on this one and get a legendary pack, but I wasn't able to. So, I have enough coins to open a pro pack, but we have 11 other packs. So, we have 3 2-badge packs, 4 journey token packs. That's not going to be really exciting. I'm not sure if that's going to be. That's a journey contracts pack. That's an all Madden pack that I got from the solo challenge. Small quick sell, there might be another one of those, and a journey gold player pack. So, let's get started with the badge packs. I'll zoom out. Just it might be harder. So bronze, we want bronze and silver for that small quick sell set. Okay, 2 bronze, it's good. It might get a little blurry. This is on my phone, so I'm gonna try to do the best. Okay. I'm gonna try to do my best, and if I get a gold or elite out of this, I'm gonna be hyped. Alright, a bronze and a silver. That's good, that's good. If you have Xbox Live and you would like to friend me, my name is... Let's see if I could... let's go to my profile. Alright, wait, what? Yeah, sure, sign up real quick. So this will continue. I'm just trying to show you my name. We only have one that has the real Xbox Live. My name is Sports King 99 with an A on the end. So I do have friends, just they're not on right now. So I got signed back in Ultimate Team. Okay. You know, I'm probably like... The funny thing is, I could probably find my name on something in here. So, let's finish off these packs. I might skip the journey packs, because those might not be the most exciting things. Okay, a gold badge. Let's put that in the large quick sell. Dang. I didn't think I was going to pull that. Oh, quick sell. That was the last of those, and we did not get another small quick sell pack, so I think I'm just gonna skip over these, so we will have 3 packs left, because I do get a gold player in there, so you know what? No, you guys. Happy New Year, by the way. We're just about to head out to my friend's house. New Year, because this is all its MVP journey pack, or NFL journey, like the the MVP stuff. It's kind of boring, so I'm trying to think of a story that I could tell. Oh yeah, so yesterday I was talking to one of my friends that I made on Xbox. His name is By Fears. So if any chance you're watching this, then hello. Um, we were just playing. He was playing a game against a person who was not very good. So he like pointed that out, and then somehow the guy he was playing contacted his friend. So his friend started trash talking us, and then wanted to play me because he wanted to. Because my friend was already playing the game, so I played him. He played me in a regular season game. He didn't even play me in Ultimate Team. So I played him, and the funny thing was his network timed out. Okay, so Fred Jackson, what's that speed looking like? $81 speed. I don't know. I might sell him. See how much he's going for. This is the all Madden pack. I have no idea what you get in there. So has anyone else realized that it says plus 10 contracts up in the corner? Let's get that to focus. Plus 10 contracts or contracts. So there we get Mike Barron. I'm pretty sure I already have a free safety. A left guard, a middle linebacker, Dan Quinn. I'm already quick selling that. Oh wait, not yet. Let's see. Already selling that. Oh, nope. Gotta press Y. Selling. A Jarvis Landry. That might be going for something. And a Brooks Reed. I think the Brooks Reed might be my starter, so I'll get back to you once I'm done with this little edit. Might take me 5 minutes, but you'll get there now. Alright, I'm back. I told you we were going to be here right now. That took me maybe 2 minutes at tops. Journey token pack, just another token. And a small quick sell. I'm really hoping for 5,000 or more, because I'm not sure how much this goes up to. Because I'm familiar with Madden Mobile, so I'm going to close my eyes. You guys will see first. I'll open 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I haven't opened yet, but sorry if the camera's wiggling. You guys haven't seen it yet. I'm trying to keep it as steady as I can. 2,000. Wow. Okay, so I have 10,000 coins. You know what? I don't want to end like that. Let's go open a pro pack. I already know what I'm selling these 3. Hey, anybody see the Falcons and Panthers game? That was a game. So was this game. Steelers and was it Steelers and Ravens? I think it was. Way to go, Ravens! I'm happy for Ravens. Darren Sproles. I already have a halfback. Everyone got a free Bo Jackson, but I lost mine somehow. Ooh, this one's got 83 speed. I do have a Todd Gurley and Steven Jackson. Oh, Todd Gurley got 91 speed. We gotta put Todd Gurley in. Oh, wait, I think I saw Vikings players. Audie Cole. Okay, so let's get all this out of the way. And then I'll see if I did get another pack. So that for 125. I already opened this. Why does it do that? Okay, so I'm gonna see how much Darren Sproles is going for after this. Let's add these to a pack. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get another one of these. I did get 3 though. That'll put me. Maybe I'll have more for you guys tomorrow because I do a bunch of this every day. Since the Christmas break. If anyone else is a Vikings fan like me, I'm pretty sure you guys are happy that we're in the playoffs. Because from my memory bank, that hasn't happened in a while. Okay, so nothing else. I just want to give quick shout outs. Go blow up their Xbox Live. My friends. Not these ones. These last 3. By Fears that I was telling you about. The Jelliphant. He's my school friend. And the OBJ2000. If any of you guys are watching, either tell me when we're playing on Xbox Live or if you have a YouTube account, comment down below, because I know some people don't have YouTube accounts. That used to be me maybe 2 months ago, I think. But then I got a YouTube channel. Players. Alright. See ya. Have a happy new year, and I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas. See ya.